Mema Oyakwaba Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. Aremeyaw Bremo. Attorney General Godfred Dame responded to Jakpa leak tape here to appointing audience atuga. Now say be call sibinimu. Let's say so we can subscribe to the channel na. Let's say over subscribe or Ameyaw say over click the subscribe button. Na wa barely notification. Oyanisa video for be upload. Also once can be. After we are like video no, give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer so na onye bi na one share. Godfred Dame Attorney General oni Jakpa Richard Jakpa leak tape simbi bria na wo coaching oni papa kasa sere won be ya oni betimi ejeri atofo na say atofo se ho akoka ebemu na no na nkomo ekoso no wo kire Jakpa no kwan be fa so be nsem na no ewo courtroom ena Jakpa so ontimi nya saa ne ma na wo kan ekoye simbi bria asemi beto bia no kana fo bebre na akasa afa ho to be money Godfred Dame na dey na this for the say one lady leak tape never to abonti ko yen say bebre and before this so we doctor in Saudi Amufa original number and no be see me yen original no na we na Godfred Dame yankasa ba abonti abe respond na yen hwe story we say the righteous will always prevail. Godfred Dame response to Jakpa leak tape na say what you mean no say enkoda wi yen obedi enkuni wo be successful so that opeso the yen hwe details of the story no say the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked, and that even though they have laid traps for me, I will flee from them. That is what I say in
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
The
Hot
Attorney
news
General
all time.
and Minister of Justice, Godfred Dame, has said in a reaction to the application filed against him at the High Court in Accra. But say this is the first time he is speaking publicly after Richard Jakpa, the businessman standing trial with the minority leader, Dr. Akufo-Addo, forcing alleged in court that the Attorney General has been calling him at odd hours. Following the allegation, which has generated a lot of public discourse, the accused persons who are alleged to have caused financial loss of 2.37 million euros to the state in an ambulance deal have filed 4 motions at the court, presided over by Justice Ifeasewa Asare Boakye. Now, yeti sa reporting Godfred Dame said the righteous will prevail. Yeti Obana no disem. 18:7.
The Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked, and even though they lay traps for me, I will flee from them. The righteous will always prevail over evil. These are the words of Attorney General Godfred Dame in response to recent developments in the ambulance purchase trial. Earlier in court, lawyers of Richard Jakpa moved an objection to the AG's affidavit in opposition to the third accused motion for a mistrial. Lord Idwasare reports.
Prior to the commencement of the trial, speaking to journalists for the first time, Richard Jakpa expressed optimism that he will be freed based on evidence before the court.
According to his opinion, straight, the way he thinks is supposed to be. I have done mine in court, so I'm expecting to come back. Yes. Do you have this in court, not in public opinion? Because I'm an innocent man.
When the case was called, Justice Ifeasewa Asare Boakye indicated to the parties in court that she had received 4 applications from lawyers of the accused persons. An application for stay of proceedings pending appeal, as well as an application for inquiry into the alleged conduct of the Attorney General and a mistrial by Dr. Atofoson's lawyers, an application for an order striking out charges against third accused Richard Jakpa, and an affidavit in support of the application by Jakpa by the former Deputy Finance Minister. Lead counsel for Richard Jakpa, Thaddeus Sorry, filed a motion to oppose an earlier affidavit in opposition by a principal state attorney to the application to strike out charges against the third accused. He argued that the affidavit failed to disclose the source of the information in respect of the matters regarding Jakpa's conversation with the AG. But Godfred Dame opposed. He insisted that the objections are unfounded and are without merit, adding that the manner in which the objection was raised defeats all requirements of fairness. The presiding judge indicated that she will give her ruling on the 4 applications before her on Thursday, June 6, and adjourn the trial. Speaking after the hearing, Attorney General Godfred Dame noted that good would always prevail.
And of course replied, as we know, all I can say is that the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked. and that even though they laid traps for me, I will flee from them. And righteousness will always prevail over evil.
But NDC Communications Officer Sammy Gyamfi had this to say.
Serious averments have been made in courts, not in the media, against him. He's been quick to deny them in the media. His spokesperson, Wilberforce.
You are watching Juicy
And the
News
Deputy
on
Attorney
YouTube.
General have issued
Hot
statements and granted
time.
interviews defending him. Now we come to court, you expect this Attorney General to swear an affidavit, to dispute these things, to provide counter evidence. And the man is fleeing from accountability. He can't defend himself. He wants somebody to do that for him. Well, we wait to see what the court's decision will be on all these matters.
Yeah, look, what Akufo-Addo and Bawumia are on my way. Sanka won't bu enipa. Keso mo resign. For Bawumia even to go around gathering confidence. And yeah, only shame. Gyamfi. Really, say Afumuba ya won for frafe no osuan ante no. Ya o hwihwiri no a onya shame say no. Ade ya nkrofo we me fere. And still going around telling what hope. Hey, they hope. But let's put it down for another time because very crucial.
Yeah.
Cost of living. Cost of living as we speak right now, my brother. Media me kwaya me ma me ye buy new.
Oh, fresh info.
Oh, me sometimes me me bomb say me list to na okwa na ma ka chance list to me ni so breme. Kwabena de trababy boko e be 5 minutes ni ase asore ni asiko aso because the daily pressure eni anato aduane even mampo a farming community anyway media mame Jakpa issue no unim doctored fake fa dey fake original ne bra unim dey problem no yarin dey ntia say fake no
yeah be
Godfred Dame or record Jakpa or tape me
to also record it.
Oh, be I am telling you.
I think you are bringing a new twist to.
I am telling you.
Has never occurred.
Godfred Dame recorded Jakpa.
Tina man who say we fake.
You see, I wouldn't say you're fake. I wouldn't say the other you're fake.
News on YouTube.
But just an dream when say.
But on recording Jakpa and Godfred Dame, I will tape maybe. The MPP national chairman a tape nibi. After their first conversation, also it's you two. Baku ya Yoni calling the FIA, Baku on phone. After the phone one, in fact, they are also Yoni calling the FIA on na eyanema. Phone no so no part 1, part 2, part 3. The part 2 too so dangerous.
I want to believe say no tender and on back tender.
Na Odame Oni Jakpa edin komono. He was recording Jakpa. That is why you say Jakpa. I hope you are not recording me. Exactly. And I'm telling you, we are media practitioners. You didn't come on. The national chairman etie tape nibi. Now, what they had wanted to do, na eyo dame say one Jakpa, a fiero person they dealing. Let me record him. Senka Jakpa a consider nyemebia. Na what tender me in quietly to the judge.
Yeah.
Say nkoma me name is star witness me edini. Enti Jakpa backcourt danina no babia enye yi. Then they will use that to pin him down.
Yeah.
So they won't bring the tape out, but or the bema ne lawyers based on that nomdi bebusa Jakpa asem. Jakpa on this day you said this and that to this person.
Obesha say kwase mudi nkomo bia na. Etu ubeda no say
the rotenda. So Godfred Dame deliberately called him because I spoke to a judge, a Supreme Court judge, and I catch them say, under normal circumstances, yes, Attorney General, star witness, the client, or no, Ayonkofa, into to meeting Komo at any time. However, most at times, for transparency purposes, say only bedroom Koma, they meet in the office. So be a case we, when I star witness, court na yekono, say. So if indeed, say Godfred Dame na omini evil, na onye na just be recorded Jakpa, and go be free Jakpa. I'm not an office because Jakpa is a star witness, and even so be able to Jakpa nam krana no problem because Jakpa is the witness. Emma a buying lawyer penny, and she almost a good idea and can hear issue be. But for him to call him on phone to have discussions with him on such sensitive matter, which means now Odame was up to something. And I think Jakpa was too smart for Odame, knowing that Odame is somehow a dumb person.
And Commander, let's also establish, sir, according to their own legal procedure, also this is sensitive matter. Yet Godfred Dame ain't in any who quite. So on Jakpa didn't come up on the matter before court without going through the lawyer.
Yeah, and the make catch us say, judge no catch him say.
Yeah.
By procedure no. And can say so maybe come biano. We lawyers. Yeah. They meet in the office.
And my disankomano.
No more discuss. Yes.
Yeah.
However, say na me be say enti a yes be attorney general on a star witness. Say phone soon come us say star witness there enipa no Jubilee and wa fa say wo asem we bra na be di adanse wom ema aban na de na wunim wo ho to wo mu ni asem bia e de wunim e na wo ba beka. What I say into a good idea and said that whether judicial laws or whatever bar, but the practice is that calling him on the phone to discuss such a sensitive matter, and that is where later we discovered that not knowing Odame recorded him based on a presidency in Komomodi. So the presidency was aware, say Odame could record it. Jakpa. Yes. Odame recorded him. That is why they are telling us where you fake. And then where you fake.
Where then your original.
Then I heard this boy at Net2 TV. I don't watch it. I don't watch it. Talking trash, talking nonsense.
On the Wami and on Okasafa and Phone Casafa.
Jumping, free, kinkre.
Law school, keke, connect passy.
You see, what so the point is,
also, yeah, I'll call over TV.
Miria, I declare or yes, so be recorded Jakpa Diakoyeno. I think Jakpa was too smart for this boy. Jakpa, when you saw or military background. Yes.
As a Cuba also.
Yes.
Yeah, he's Cuba trained. Yeah.
Yes. Well, you're too smart at Odame no more brabiao. Odame Frank Davis, this our boys, one more bra. Ghana, and Omanya Ghana, we are Ghana, and also my bobra. Ubuso Momunya Juma Biat said they knew me and I Juma Jibosmith. No. They are not smart. When you are using state power. Yeah, let me tell you. And that's Jakpa do you know why the Agongo opening issue are dragging for almost 6-7 years to 8 years? The first star witness are only free friends research institution or research institution. CSR. The guy came to court to give conflicting statements. If they say AG draw no. That was why the lies and everything about Agongo and Opuni lies. They coach people come to court, come and lie against them. That is Akufo-Addo and Gabi and Begia Tronum or some those fools
Oh,
they are doing that. I'm sorry.
Because of some fools, but don't call them.
I'm sorry. But some is a fool. A big fool. Yeah, company where Jimmy Ogana. I've said I'm sorry, but who knows? Something I'm explaining why.
Explanation.
Okay, fine. That is okay. So, yes, sir, and go forward.
Listo.
Yes, I'm go forward, and I push that agenda line. Yeah, if you are not Could you believe so? You could a bentua and a meko. Yeah, didn't try to so cool. Now, a guy in your friends do we know La Pam say
a papa no
Macpam who prison. Ask yourself, says our case, like say. They just decided to lie. They lie. Look, me. I want to be Kwakachi Kwasi Fori. Kwasi Fori no one time no. That foolish man.
Hey, why are they?
He's a stupid guy. For that one, let me say it. Kwasi Fori is the most stupid police officer Ghana has ever produced.
No, please.
What you
cannot be saying this.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Kwasi Fori ni Nyansenia Ghana police are producing Ghana.
How? Yes, and yes, and
no, but that is what. Could you believe that?
Last commentary.
No. No. Could you believe sir? Kwasi Fori, who Kwasi Fori? When I police PRO, Cantonment police station. Me too quiet. Me ban will be free. Me say, Cantonment police for hear me. And I'm seeing in town. Me be do me ba. Me be do you mra by 4:30. Me be do na me free Cantonment in nipa kro no say maba. And nipa kro no say ade asa. Entimi nya no wochena. And a straight me ba en studio e be ya adwuma. Me post studio anajo 10:30 and I'm be che me. Ade achia na one issue statement say mo afre me sa na wotwini na my dodge Ghana police. Say me dodge Ghana police say Dampare me pedeyira na ne ma afo no me pebi. Ana me de Dampare me de bibi ye den wo wiase. Dampare no mo me de ne ye den. Me ntonko ke. Me ntonwi. Why Akufo-Addo akonta na ne tonko ke. Ya owu ye.
Na first man pacho.
Ayi friends de owu ye no. Akufo-Addo no fie no mo tonko ke. Na konta ya che no amfo kwa che. Me ntonko ke. Me ntonwi. Me ngofa contraband goods free baby a me nie illegal. Me nya asase ho adwuma. Me nya hwe. Enti eden na Ghana.
Remamankwa
amfo kwa che. Enti eden na Ghana Police Service frame a na me dwane say Ghana Police Service frame a me dwane say me nkofro obi say me koje visa amount and me nya me fo obi nko police me nyi obi asika. No what me issue statement say Ghana Police Service afraid obi 7 days or dwane me tia me ya adwuma me kasa ojimi. So they have been lying against their perceived enemies. Omo taiwa omo din trotro so. And I have cited Opuni Agongo. I have cited Macpam. And I have cited my own. And
Agbajo.
Even ACP Agbajo. They just lie.
With Agongo mo the latest.
Look at the revelations.
Recuse some of the judges that was no. Ma they say CJs on one of better case no. So no about 3. How can you do that changes?
They say even their own star witnesses Oma we draw bebre.
Commander first in easy. Commander 1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute. Me the back up to Kaswa the
okay, 1 minute, Commander.
What I want to tell the NDC it's time for resistance. NDC should use every means available. And Kaswa incident no Oma Bay no candidate no because next time on bet NDC ni bisa no ese mo pari abo. Yes, I will encourage NDC that they should never allow Dampare or any stupid policeman to intimidate. Next time on bet NDC, you see NDC must show strength. Yakwa police station issue abana no tu issue no buy no MPP for mienu pra and this for me and say pra na mo akwachi and this candidate no any nipa mienu say MPP for no e pra ye no eye omo a na this for no pra no say wanya wanya with the registration matters
now this
maka me di we say NDC must show strength and character.
Okay.
Sir Orajo Mahama, we are not going to agree any of the investigation of Onyaisa.
You for winning and somewhere Godfred Dame, Attorney General, and some of the two are responding to a year Jakpa leak say the Lord does not delight in the pleasure of the wicked. And that even though they have laid traps for me, I'll flee from them. The righteous will always prevail, the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Godfred Dame, has said in a reaction to the application filed against him at the High Court in Accra. You for winning and somewhere Godfred Dame edit to because GC News so and now we know say we now subscribe ya Mr. say over subscribe no like it. Now I share video no amma of so any be na wahwe. Also betimi a share wadin Afriyie and so we now who comment box ni mobeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.